Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from a-sha Dry Noodle of Taiwan. They've got all sorts of really neat stuff, and this is something special that you're going to be able to see in Costco just for Chinese New Year. It's noodles. Let's check it out. Awesome. So yeah, like I said, this is for Chinese New Year. This is their Dan Dan noodle, and like it says on the thing, it's nothing but the noodles. They're packs of noodles. There's no sachets with them or nothing. They were thinking, oh, should we send them some of these? I'm like, yeah, I'll do something up. I'm thinking some chili crisp, some peanut butter, and like a touch of soy sauce, and maybe put a nice fried egg on top, maybe some sliced chashu. I don't know. That's generally my go-to for plain noodle, but you can do all sorts of different stuff with this. Let's crack it open and look at the inside of this box. I'm guessing it's 20 individually wrapped packs of noodles, and here they are. Very cool. All right, well, Happy New Year to everybody, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. The instant noodle recipe time video of me cooking this up will be coming out soon, and yeah, have a good one. Bye.